Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore automated investing on Wealthsimple US, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore automated investing on Wealthsimple US, start by logging into your Wealthsimple account. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section located on the main dashboard. Under the Invest tab, find and click on the Automated Investing option. If your automated investing feature is paused, you will see a prompt indicating its current status. Click on the prompt that says Resume Automated Investing or similar wording. You may be prompted to review your investment settings. Take this opportunity to ensure your portfolio aligns with your current financial goals. After reviewing your settings, confirm that you want to resume automated investing. Next, you might need to review your funding options. Ensure that your linked bank account is still valid and has sufficient funds. If your bank account has changed, update your banking information in the account section. Once your bank details are confirmed, return to the automated investing settings. Review any contributions scheduled to your account. Adjust the contribution amounts or frequency if needed. After finalizing your contribution settings, save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that automated investing has been restored. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the performance metrics on the dashboard. Regularly monitor your investment progress to ensure it remains in line with your financial objectives. Congratulations, you have successfully restored automated investing on Wealthsimple US. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.